welcome back, Spawn and Spawnettes. My name is Azel the Demon, and this is Among the Sleep. So we just dropped in to what looks like a sort of rustic-y manor type thing. We are looking for, I want to say it's the third memory with our mom, so that we can find her and get back to safety. Because we're two, and Mother knows best. So let's see what we can find. I hope you guys are all doing well, by the way. You may or may not notice that I am in much better control than in episode 2.
What is this place? I think we should keep quiet.
I will talk as much as I want. Silly bear thinks he can tell me when and when not to talk to my viewers. Although, I suppose you might, I guess theoretically, want to listen to a talking bear when you're in an other world built on memories. Maybe that's just me. I don't know. But yes, I decided to play Among the Sleep first today instead of Five Nights at Freddy's. Because Five Nights at Freddy's has jump scares. Jump scares make me all adrenaline rushy. Me being all adrenaline rushy makes me not able to talk good. So, here we are. I hope you guys have been enjoying this, by the way. I know. I certainly have. I'm, like, really enjoying... Oh! Was ist das? Can I drag this way at all? No, not at all. Okay. Aha. You I can drag, though. Oh, I'm dumb. There's a footstool underneath it. Okay. Alright. Are there other little things around here? Do I need to pull this back this way? What is that? It's a puzzle piece. Alright. Well, there's a drawer here. There's a part of me that wonders if there's a puzzle piece in this drawer. No, of course not. Okay. That looks like a painting or something. We got roots. We have floaty thingies.
Those floaty things.
Floaty thingies. Excellent.
Memories. Maybe the next one is behind those roots.
Ah! Puzzle piece. Do I have to put it... Yes, I do have to put it in the right spot. Oh! Cool! So each puzzle piece that I put in unlocks a new little spot, which I have to go find a puzzle piece in, and it just kind of leads me through like it needs to. Excellent. Well, let's keep an eye out for puzzle pieces then. It's almost a tiny bit. Makes me wish I was streaming, because then there might be the... Oh! Nifty. This game is so semi-surreal. It's so much fun. I kind of wish that dream recording technology were better, because it's now a thing. It's just incredibly poor quality. Because I'm disturbingly curious to see if this is akin to what a 2-year-old's nightmare is actually like. I don't want to induce nightmares in 2-year-olds, that's sadistic. But I would just be curious to see how that would be going. And then we got... Oh! I can't swim. I think that's the lesson that we need to take away from this. I don't know why I thought that was an okay option, but now we know better. So let's just get a move on. Oh, good God. Okay, yeah. Don't do that twice in a row, Azel. That would be dumb. Well, I got another one here. Can I get on top of it, or no? No, not at all. Okay. So this is very swampy and, for me, interesting. For somebody who's played games like Elder Scrolls and all that jazz, this is very interesting. I'm betting for a 2-year-old, on the other hand, though this is quite terrifying. Oh, a little. Just get through here. Oh, I'm gonna have to crawl down. Alright. There we go. I can't tell if those are my footsteps or if there's a hag or somebody walking around in here. Nope, nothing of import. Oh, they're shelves with branches in them. That's fantastic. I know I've said this a bunch of times already, but I'm just really enjoying the atmosphere of this little zone right here. It's incredibly surreal, what with trees with drawers with branches in them, which is not something you would encounter in a normal setting. And I really enjoy that. There's a wall with a window open it. I'm very, very pleased, very happy, having a lot of fun with this area. So let's just rock and roll through. We'll see what we can find. I believe, as I said in the last episode, we'll see what there is to see. I think there are crawly options. Yes, there are crawly, climby options. There's cushions in the middle of the forest. Again, with the just nonsensical awesomeness. I love it. Gonna have to get down. Alright. Well, that's incredibly disconcerting. So there just seems to be a whole lot of... This is a... That wasn't very nice. I liked that fire. I liked that fire a lot. We have a globe, which is very important when you're lost in the woods. Aww. I thought that there was ground down there. I was incorrect. So we'll have to keep on rocking on. That was a very disconcerting sound. Like a body being dumped. You have to wonder who's doing the body dumping. It's very important questions. Ones that I don't have the answers to. Oh, nothing in there, okay. It's just kind of a problem that I'm personally running into. Is I can't look around as much as I would like to with... while holding on to Teddy, I should say. Parts and things fallen and strewn about. And then down here, yeah, there is... Oh, okay, here's where we walk across. I found it. I'm the best. Something that a part of me wants to consider doing is turning up the light level on the game. Because while playing with it dark is incredibly creepy and awesome, it's not as useful for continuing to progress through the game. And having to use Teddy just to get the barest glimmer of light is a little frustrating and annoying. I can pull that down, good, which means I can crawl through. Hey, there's a piece of memory there. Oh no, that's not a piece of memory, that's our puzzle piece from this area. Excellent. We did it. I'm so proud of us, guys. Well done. Thank you for supporting me through this venture. Now, where do I go from here? Not that way. Oh! Is this the tree? Is this the same tree as before? Something tells me it's probably not. It absolutely could be. You know, I'm starting to think it is. Yeah. That's definitely this. Oh, no, it's not the same one at all. Where does this go? Am I going back? I can't... Oh, we have screaming happening. Which, from what I've been able to gather, I think it's basically the parents fighting. And this may be depressingly what... It's the interpretation of the mind of a child when their parents are fighting. If that is what it is, the game is... It's a dark game. That's a dark, dark subject matter. But I suppose there's only so much you can do. I hope that there's more to it than that. I would be... Is that just sounds? Or are there actually things coming out of the water to eat me? Something I really, really need to figure out and that I need to know. These are the need-to-know questions that Teddy just can't answer for me. But, moving on, we can put the next puzzle piece together, and then... Oh, right, I forgot.
This place feels...
I'm doing my best, man.
Let's not dwell here for too long.
It feels something. So yes, next piece of the puzzle down. And we move forward into another painting. This is reminiscent, in my mind, of Super Mario 64. So she drinks from the well, and then goes away. And then we're not sure. Just in case, that is something that I'm going to be keeping in mind. In case that's some sort of clue. We do have lots of other things going on. Weird random sounds that I'm not at all sure of the source of. Oh. Alright, I know this isn't at all what I should be doing, but these look like footsteps. And it sounds like somebody's drowning. Like I said, I really wish I could see better. Alright, I guess we'll just, we'll have to go this way. I don't appreciate that, sir. Prefer it if you would let me open my doors in my own time. So I can kick it, but I can't pick it up. Good to know. And we have the dark room with the lights turned off. Alright, we got scribbles and things. Yeah, that's the safe. These chest drawers that I can open. Alright, I can climb on top of it, that's good. Possibly, I don't know. I'm not seeing a lot to work with up here. And can I get to that one as well? I can. Alright. So let's open that up. Let's get up here. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. Bummer. Bummers all around. Can I crawl under the bed? I can absolutely crawl under the bed. Excellent. I have to remember to think like a 2-year-old. Although, this makes me want to make sure that when I ever have kids... Buh. Okay. No. Stop breaking things. It's very disconcerting. They're just boots. Okay. I feel like something's gonna come out and scream at me. And I don't appreciate it in the least. I really hope that's not the case. Because, well, when I go to play Five Nights at Freddy's here, when I'm done with the episode, that will just... I won't know what to do with myself. Okay, so we gotta get... Okay, yeah, I just gotta drag the thing over. Urgh. Okay, climb up on there. Balls. Okay. And what do we have? Lots of crashy sounds. Crashy sounds of big things falling. It's absolutely not something that I appreciate. Alright, another one. Can I not? Okay. It's like a treant. And apparently, it's something that's terrifying. It wasn't for me, because, well, I'm a grown-ass man. And J.R.R. Tolkien taught me to love treants and respect them, not necessarily fear them. But I feel like I recall this thing from the... Wow. Huh. Alright. I recall that thing from the bedroom from the real world. I think. It goes up that way. Oh, okay, down this way. We got this. Crawling under the floorboards of the house. Into a very dark area, which I don't appreciate. Can I get up and out? No, it doesn't look like I can get up and out. Huh. Okay. Oh, that's nothing. I don't have anything to climb up on, and it really bothers and frustrates me. I feel like I saw the piece of whatever I was supposed to see down here. Well, there's nothing here. And that is the sound that is made when you can't stand up. So sometimes you just gotta stand up in random places and see how it goes. Yeah, there is just diddly squat going on in this room. I can click all I want. There's nothing going on. Absolutely nothing going on. Alright. I'm curious if this means that what I'm supposed to do is just head back this way. Yes. I will take it from that incredible incredibly creepy sound that, yes, I was supposed to go this way. Oh, here's the well. Huh. Well, let's get up here. Let's turn the old turnstile. Oh, it's that way. Alright, around and around we go. With these, in my opinion, less than stellar rotational mechanics, because I actually have to move the mouse in a very circular, very deliberate. Come on. There we go. Okay, that's that. We go down, we grab the puzzle piece, we get out of here. So, let's do that. What are you? You're locked. There's a... Okay, so there's a triangle piece somewhere that I was supposed to find. For... well, let's see. We'll see how long it takes me to find it. Depending on how long that is, here in the next minute or two, I'm going to jump to where I found the key, and then we'll go from there. So in the meantime, I'm curious. I'm actually very curious if I have just completely boned myself. And let's see. You know, looking at the timeline of the video, I think we're going to call this a pause. We're going to crawl back out to the lair of the treant. It's going to save again. And yeah. While I'm walking around, I'll finish talking, but I think... Yeah, no, it's not out here. I don't immediately see it around anywhere. Alright. Well, I hope you guys are enjoying the show. Or is that it? I'm so confused as to whether or not I want to continue or I want to pause. So yes, we got the puzzle piece out of the well. We discovered that I need a triangle piece key. And I'm definitely going to call this a pause. I hope you guys are enjoying the show. Don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe. Check out the rest of the Aesla Demon brand. And links in the description below. And I will see you guys next time. Have a great rest of your day.